Welcome back once again. Let's continue with our tutorials. So in our previous lesson, we learned how to install the WordPress from our local WP, and then we did some changes or settings. We cleaned the dashboard. So now let's continue. There are a lot of things that we have to do, so we don't want to waste my time here. Now let's do one cleanup also. Let's go to settings. Let's go to tools and then click on site health. We click on site health. So he say we should remove inactive themes. Okay, which we are going to do that. We have some themes in our dashboard that we don't need them, so we'll remove them. It's always advisable to remove unused themes from your website, okay, so that it can run very fast, and it's something that we'll be doing. And then also the disk space available to safely perform updates. Let's say could not determine available disk space for updates. Is it necessary? Okay, I think our site, the site is good. The health site is good. So the only thing we will do is to remove the themes from the unused themes. So these are the unused themes. When you go to appearance and click on themes, we've activated this one. Sorry, this one. So these are unused themes, and we have to delete them, which we will do very soon. So now let's go to the appearance and then delete the themes. So click on themes. These are inactive themes, and as I said earlier, we don't need to keep any inactive themes. We have to delete them, as well as plugins. When you are not using them, the best way is to delete them. So let's delete this one. We are going to delete this one. So click on delete, click OK, and then let's delete this one also. These are all ways of cleaning the dashboard. Okay, and then leave the default one. Now let's go to plugins tool and check if we have installed. So we don't have any installed plugins in our website now. Let's check our site health once again. So click on tools and go to site health. So you see now it's saying disk space available to perform good. So now we can see that our website is in good health. Okay, our website is now in good health. Now let's continue. Okay, so let's go to settings. Let's go to our settings and then go to payment links. Go to payment links. When you are because this is a local host, so it has already selected the post name for us. But most of the times you see either the plain selected or the custom selected. Then you change it to post name. Make sure you change it to post name before you continue, right? Okay, so I think we don't need to do anything here again for now. Let me check the pages. Okay, I said I will leave this one. The post, okay, we've cleaned that one. And okay, now let's install our themes and then plugins. So we go to appearance. Now let's install our theme first. So click on themes, and then the theme that we are going to use is Hello World. So you come here and then click add new theme, and then here you type hello world. Okay, so now let's wait for it. This is not what we are looking for. Hello world. Sorry, hello Elementor. Hello Elementor. So this one, we are looking for this one. Hello Elementor. And then click on install. So when using local WP in designing a website, it's advisable you have a little internet to download all plugins and then themes. After that, you can off your internet and then you start designing your website. So now let's activate it. It has finished downloading. Let's activate it. So click on activate, and it has been activated. Now we don't need this. It has activated, so we don't need this one. Let's click on this and then click on delete and click OK. Now let's go to our back end and refresh the page and see what's happened. So you see our new hello world has taken place in charge of the default one that was previously there. Okay, now let's go to themes, plugins. Sorry, let's go to plugins and install plugins. Let's go to plugins and then install plugins. So these are the plugins that we are going to use. These are the plugins that we are going to use. Elementor, essential add-ons for Elementor, Royal Elementor add-ons, WP responsive post, recent post widget, and then Pro Element. You can download them from the WordPress website. When you go to www.wordpress.org, wordpress.org. Okay, so we can download it from here. So plugins, and then we search for the plugins that we want. So we are saying Elementor, this one. So you click on it and then you click on download. And then what else? Essential add-ons for Elementor. Essential add-ons for Elementor. Let's look for that one. This one. So you click on it and then you click on download to download it for you. Okay. Also Royal Element add on Royal. Let's enter Royal and see Royal, and then so this one we'll download this one also. So click on it and then click on download. Okay, or you can go to your WordPress dashboard and download them here. Okay, so let's install. You see, we should install this so you can, if you want to install it from your download plugins, click here and then you go to upload. Click on upload and then click on choose file. So these are the downloads, the one that we downloaded them: Royal, Element, Essential, Elementor. Okay, so you click on Elementor and then click open and click on install and wait for it to install the Elementor for us.